Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video we are going to talk about a lead acid battery. So as we know, the lead acid battery works on the chemical reaction. So the chemical reaction takes place between the two electrodes and the electrolyte, so which releases the electron, and that electron moves through the external circuit to generate current. So the two electrodes are anode and cathode. Anode is the negatively charged electrode, and this electrode is made up of lead, and the charge is negative, and the reaction type is oxidation. So oxidation is the loss of electrons. So whenever there is a loss of electrons on an electrode, that electrode will be the anode. And similarly we have cathode. Cathode is made up of lead dioxide, and the charge is positive, and the reaction type taking place on this cathode is reduction, which is the gain of electrons. Now coming to the discharge reaction, this is the reaction which is taking place during the discharge. So this is the reaction. So on the first step we have anode reaction. So this is the anode, and here we have lead. So lead is gonna react with sulfate ion. So this sulfate ion is coming from the electrolyte, and when the H2SO4 breaks, it breaks into the H plus ion and sulfate ion. So lead and sulfate reacts to form lead sulfate, and this reaction, this first reaction releases two electrons. So these two electrons are going to travel through this external circuit, and these two electrons are going to travel towards the cathode. So on the cathode we have lead dioxide. So this lead dioxide is also going to react with the electrolyte. So as we know that electrolyte is already broken into H plus ion and sulfate ion, and now we have two electrons also, which is coming from the anode reaction, and this lead dioxide will react with these sulfate ions and H plus ions. So the oxygen part will go with the H plus ion, and to form H2O, which is water molecule, and the lead will react with the sulfate ion to form lead sulfate. So this is the reaction which is taking place on the cathode. So here it's clearly mentioned that the lead is attacked by sulfate, and the oxygen is going to react with the H2 molecule here, so to form water. So this is the reaction which is going to take place during the discharge, and during the charging the reaction is going to be reversed, as this is a reversible reaction, and when the charger is connected to a battery, it restores the initial condition, the previous condition of the battery. So the lead sulfate, as we have seen that on the both of the electrodes we have lead sulfate as product. The lead sulfate which is formulated on both of the electrode is going to be converted to lead dioxide as cathode, and lead on the anode. So here we have lead sulfate on both of the electrodes. So on the cathode the sulfate ion will be attacked by the hydrogen to form sulfuric acid H2SO4, and the oxygen will attack lead to form PbO2. Similarly, the sulfate ion will go with the hydrogen to form sulfuric acid, and lead will remain on the anode. And remember that the flow of the electron will be from the cathode to anode. So this is how a lead acid battery works. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.